Ever feel like regular fridge magnets are just a bit boring? Then you've got to try an AR fridge magnet. Scan it with your phone and instantly bring the magic of Gardens by the Bay right home with you. The super trees grow and fireflies dance right across the screen. Want to learn how to make one? It's actually super easy and requires zero coding. We'll build the scene in Kivi and use Kivi AI to turn a simple image into a dynamic video with just one click. In just a few minutes, you'll have your very own interactive AR magnet. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to do this from scratch. It's a game changer to make your magnets, badges, or keychains instantly stand out. Let's dive right in. On the Kivi dashboard, just click New Scene in the top right corner and select Image AR. Give your scene a name and upload your tracking image. Now, quick tip for a super stable AR experience. Make sure to take a clear, top-down photo of your fridge magnet with absolutely no glare or reflections. The more details your magnet has, the better and more stable the tracking will be. Once that's uploaded, hit Create Now, and just like that, we're inside our empty canvas. Now, let's bring in our assets. Select the file type you wish to upload, and then click Upload Assets. If you have 2D images, click Image to upload them. For transparent video clips, click Transparent Video. Once they're uploaded, just drag them right into the scene. To position everything quickly, we're going to use the Quick Transform tool. To fine-tune your assets, you can always use the standard transform tool to tweak the size and angles. And if you need to reuse the same item, just right-click and hit Duplicate to copy it instantly. After arranging all the assets, you will have something like this. And here's a quick troubleshooting tip. If you layer too many images together, they can sometimes glitch and cut into each other in AR. To fix this, just select the image asset and switch the setting here to Alpha Clip. Problem solved! Now, what if you're running low on assets? Don't worry. Just click over here on Public, select the category you need, and you'll find tons of ready-to-use materials. To speed things up, just type a keyword into the search bar. In fact, that's exactly how I found these fireflies right here. Once you place your video in the scene, you'll probably want it to loop automatically. To do that, just head over to the right panel and check 3 boxes. And you're good to go. Now, when it comes to actually building your layout, you are entirely in control. Want to give your AR scene a massive 3D pop-up effect? Place your assets vertical to the tracking image. They'll look like they're literally growing right out of the magnet, with the super trees jumping straight out at you. Want a more seamless look? Lay them flat, parallel to the image, so they blend perfectly into the background like they were always there. How you design it is completely up to you to create your own unique AR world. Now, if you want something truly unique, you can actually use AI to generate transparent videos. Just click on AI video over here and upload an image with a green screen background. Next, type in your prompt. The more descriptive you are, the better your final video will turn out. Under the settings, make sure to select Chroma Video. Choose your video length and dimensions, and then hit Generate. Give it a few minutes, and your video will be ready to go. Once it's done, head back to your scene and click Chroma Video on the left menu to use it. To clean up the background, click the 3 little dots icon and select Edit. Grab the eyedropper tool, click on the background color, and then fine-tune the similarity and smoothness sliders. Hit Save, and you can drag your new video right into the scene. Now that we have all our assets perfectly placed, let's bring them to life with some animations and make this AR experience truly dynamic. Select the asset you want to animate and click the plus icon next to animation. Pick an effect you like from the pop-up window. And make sure to set the trigger to tracked. Now we can preview the animation right here, and look at that, our tree is growing. If you love how it looks, you can easily copy this animation over to the other super trees. To make them appear in a cool, staggered layer effect, all you have to do is tweak the animation timing for each tree so they start one after the other. Now, what if you want palm trees to appear only after all the super trees have finished growing? No problem at all. Before we set that up, here's a quick thing you need to know. By default, Kivi Cube makes every asset visible from the start. To change this, we'll need to use the visibility setting. Click on Visibility. Check the boxes for your palm trees, clouds, and any other assets you want to hide at first, and switch them to invisible. Then, set the trigger to Tracked. Now, when you scan the image, those hidden assets are completely gone. Next, let's make those palm trees show up at the perfect time. Click Visibility again, select all the palm trees, and set them to visible. For the trigger, set it to activate right when the last super tree finishes its animation. With the palm trees now visible, let's give them a proper entrance. Click the plus icon next to animation to add a growth effect to them as well. Just make sure to set this trigger to the exact same condition, right when the last super tree finishes its animation. And here is the golden rule. For an asset to animate successfully, its visibility trigger and its animation trigger must match perfectly. Once you get the hang of this principle, you can use it to make any asset appear and move exactly when you want it to. If you want your trees to look like they are literally growing right out of the ground, you're going to need a mask. To do this, click on Model, head over to Public, and search for Box in the search bar. Just pick one of the Spacebox models and drag it straight into your scene. Next, click to unlock the scale restrictions over here. Now, you can use the scaling feature on your transform tool to stretch or shrink the model along a single axis. Go ahead and adjust the box so it sits right underneath your base plate. Once it's perfectly in place, just turn on Occlusion on the right side. Now, your trees look like they are seamlessly growing straight up from underground. To wrap things up, let's add some background music to tie the whole experience together. Click on Audio on the left menu, hit Upload Assets to bring in your audio file, and then just drag it right into the scene. Next, head over to the Events panel, click on Audio, and select your soundtrack. Make sure to check the box for a continuous loop and set the trigger to Tracked. And that's it! Now that our scene is completely set up, just click Save and Share. Pop open your phone's camera, scan the QR code, point it at your fridge magnet, and look at that, your creation comes to life right before your eyes. One quick troubleshooting tip before we wrap up. If you're using multiple videos and notice some won't play on iPhones, don't worry. iOS doesn't allow multiple web audio tracks to play simultaneously. The fix is super simple. Just mute your extra videos and make sure they have no audio track at all. Once you do that, they'll all play together flawlessly. And that is how you bring your custom AR fridge magnet to life. And just like that, your very first AR fridge magnet is officially complete. Now, if you're looking at this from a business or commercial perspective, this is way more than just a fun, creative project. It's a low-cost, highly interactive marketing tool that's perfect for driving and capturing user traffic. Whether you're making tourism souvenirs, event badges, or custom stickers, adding AR is a game changer that instantly boosts your product's perceived value and takes it to the next level. If you want to give your products a massive competitive edge, I highly recommend opening up Kivi Cube and trying out these steps today. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!